Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Back out again on the water. Beautiful day, a bit later in the day than I usually get started, but it is what it is. So we're just getting everything turned on here. So I got my camera set up there. So this is just the normal warning that you get. So we hit select to agree, and like we're sitting here at these docks here at about 20 feet deep. Pretty decent. So guys, we're going to head out. We're gonna go a little bit north today, kind of just explore around. I want to get the rod in. Haven't caught a fish yet this year, so really I'm just gonna try and go out, do a little bit of fishing this afternoon, and just enjoy the day out on the water. So hope you come along with me. Hope you enjoy it, and let's just see what we find while we head out there. So let's get everything started here, and we'll head out on the water. All right, let's go. Alright guys, well we've kind of made it to the furthest bay I'm going to go today, just because it is cold out here today. I mean, it looks sunny and stuff, but there's still a bit of a chill in the air. So I'm going to just start here and see where we go from there. So I'm going to put it into trolling mode, and I'm going to go set it to level 3, which gives me about 2 to 3 kilometers an hour. Control, actually I might go down to 2. And 1, 2, 3. Wah! Now that was dramatic. So now we wait. I see a couple marks on the Garmin on the sonar. About 7 feet of water. So, stick around. Let's see if I actually catch anything. Well, that first troll didn't do us any good, so now we've reached Goose Neck Bay. There's this really shallow section coming up right here that I just want to see if we can get through. So, let's see if we can get in there. Oh, there's a mallard. No, that's not a mallard. Merganser. I think if we stay to the left here, we should be okay. Looks like there's a bit of a channel right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Through like this. Alright, let's see if we can dig in. And dig in, go further, and then we'll start fishing there, do a little bit of fishing in there, see if we catch anything. If we do, great. If not, we'll go back to hit the 3 spots that I want to hit. And then I mean, the way the day's going, we'll call it a day. So let's see if we find any fish back here. Let's go. guess. Oh, shoot, got one. Got one. Oh, guys, I got one. He's fighting it. Oh, come on. Yeah. Whoop. Okay, all right. Okay, I see you. There you are. Hi, buddy. Okay, easy. Hey. Whoa. Throw the hook. Yeah, you threw the hook. I don't know if you got to see him, but I caught him. Oh, but he threw the hook. Good. Even better. All right, guys. Well, we caught a fish. Did we land the fish? No. But we caught it. So, and I mean, hopefully you saw that. So, all right, let's do a couple more casts here then. I think I got one. I got one. Yep. No, wait, do we? Or did I just catch a leaf? Nope, I think we got one. Yeah. Do we? I don't know what's going on here. Is he running out here? Gotcha! Right at the boat. Right at the boat. Gotcha, buddy. Whoa, you. Whoa. Whew. Okay, fight it off. Hold on, guys. He's still there. My net's stuck. Net check. Fish still there. There it is. Hi, bud. Oh, that's all right. Okay. Okay. All right. Calm down. Calm down. Release the spool. That's all right. There we go, guys. Not a bad one. Let's get him back in the water though. There he goes. There he goes. Woo-hoo-hoo. Nice. Nice. 2 fish in. This bay's not bad. This bay ain't bad. All right, guys. Well, we may move a little bit further, so because we probably already spooked this area. So let's move a little bit further down. There's not much left of this bay, so we'll try one more spot and then we'll call it and leave these guys alone. So, all right, let's keep going. That was awesome. Oh, got one. Oh, yeah. Oh, baby. On again. Oh, come on. Where are you? There you are. Hello, sir. I wonder if we can get these guys. There he is. Whoa, a jumper. Just a small one. Nothing crazy. But we will let you because it's easier to get the hook at. Ooh, pliers. Whoa. Yikes. Uh-oh. Also, fishing rod in the water. Guys, this is how I go through fishing rods so much. I just throw them in the water. Now, this, just a little baby, but he was fun. All right, let's get back in. Everybody, and there you go. It's almost like I knew what I was doing, but I don't. Hi guys, back to another little bay that I like to try out. So I think just because the day is getting on, we'll just do a quick troll around the bay, see if we get lucky. So let's start this off. I think we got something. Full rod caught a weed. Nope, we got fish. Let's call it. Yeah. What do we got? Let's see. I don't think he realizes it. Come on. Come on. Yeah, let's put you in there now. Well guys, upon me checking out the time and seeing where we're at and travel that I gotta do, I think we're actually going to wrap up the fishing part of this right now. So let's just rip it back to the boat launch. Just enjoy this cruise. So let's finish off with a nice run. Alright guys, well, that's pretty much it for today. So thanks so much for coming out. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, we're hopefully getting the season started, and like I said, get out here and do some new adventures for you guys. So thanks so much. I appreciate everything. Please make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Love hearing from you guys, so make sure you leave some notes in the comments. Tell me what you thought about getting back out there. And until the next adventure, guys, be safe out on the water. Peace! On it! Like a ninja. change. All right, guys, peace. I don't know why I keep going like this. Crazy. Nope. See? Look, the camera's not properly mounted and would fall off. And this is probably nauseating for you. There you go. Camera fixed. Water calling. Let's go.